Hello everyone, let's continue our class of foundation engineering. This video will be the last video for this chapter, shallow foundation on ultimate bearing capacity. Next time we will start chapter number 4, which is also ultimate bearing capacity of shallow foundation, but special cases like the cases where the foundation is on layered ground, for example, 2 soil layers, this kind of difficult conditions. Okay, that will be next chapter. Today, we are going to talk about this last part of this chapter, bearing capacity of continuous foundation subjected to the eccentric and inclined load. So it means there are two difficulties. The load is inclined and it's also eccentric. So I think the two previous lessons, we talked about eccentric load. Okay, so on the top of that, we will add inclined load. So in that case, we are going to see how the ultimate bearing capacity will be obtained. Okay, so this is what we are going to talk about today. So the last point. So as I said, sometimes shallow condition, strip foundation, strip footing are sometimes subjected to eccentrically inclined load, like this figure is showing. We have two possible cases. So I think you already know what is this E, eccentricity, for A and B. Okay, the middle of the foundation, this is our foundation, and B is the width of foundation. And you can see the middle of foundation is here. So you have two cases. The foundation, the load is eccentric with this eccentricity, and it inclined toward the middle of the foundation of the footing. Or you have this case, it is eccentric, but inclination is away from the center of the footing. Okay, you can do also this position, you can do it here also similarly, but in that case, this direction, the load will be in this way. Okay, so first of all, is eccentric for both. Okay, no matter this side or this side, it's same. But the inclination, where is the inclination going? Is it toward the center of the footing or away from the center of the footing? That will make the difference. Okay. So here the B is, as I said, the width of the foundation. E is eccentricity. And now the Q, U, E, I, this one, this load is the ultimate load per unit length. Okay, not in kilonewton, not in kilonewton, in kilopascal. Okay, so this is the ultimate bearing capacity. E for eccentric, I for incline load. Okay, so this figure showing the line of load application. Okay, this A, you can see inclined toward the center line. Okay, this line, the inclination, the load is inclined this side. It's going toward the center line. Okay, so in this case, we will call this case partially compensated for according to this reference. Okay, so remember that this is the case we will call partially compensated. Okay, so it is also possible for the line of the load application to be inclined away, as I said, away from